Engines are supposed to last. They're the heart of every vehicle. But some engines barely make it to 50,000 miles before falling apart. Today, we're uncovering the power plants that looked promising on paper, yet turned into overheating disasters, oil-burning nightmares, and repair bills big enough to break your wallet. These are the engines mechanics warn you about. The ones that fail early, fail often, and fail loudly. And wait until you hear about number one, the only modern engine with a failure pattern so predictable it triggered over $2 billion in recalls. Miss this list, and that great deal you found might turn into a $12,000 repair and a ruined vacation. Number 10. Toyota 1 ZZ-FE 1998 to 2002. Even Toyota isn't immune to bad engineering. The 1 ZZ-FE suffered from piston ring design flaws that caused shocking oil consumption, sometimes a quart every 600 miles. On a long road trip, this is a silent killer. Drivers often don't notice the oil level dropping until the engine seizes, usually long before the warning light comes on. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz M272 V6, 2004 to 2008. The M272 looks like a masterpiece until the balance shaft gear begins to wear out. Mercedes used a soft metal alloy for this critical component, and once it begins to fail, timing shifts, cam sensors throw codes, and the repair becomes extremely expensive. Many owners never notice the symptoms until it's too late. Number 8. Subaru EJ25 2.5-liter, 1996 to 2011. Beloved? Yes. Reliable? Not so much. The EJ25's infamous head gasket failures make it one of Subaru's most problematic engines ever. External leaks are annoying, but internal leaks, coolant entering the combustion chamber, are road trip-ending disasters. Once overheating begins, warped heads and complete engine rebuild often follow. Number 7. Volkswagen Truck Audi 2.0 TSI 2008 to 2013. The EA888 Gen 1/2 TSI engines suffer from one catastrophic flaw. The timing chain tensioner early tensioners fail silently, causing the chain to lose tension and skip teeth. Because this is an interference engine, a timing skip means bent valves, damaged pistons, and usually a destroyed engine. The tensioner failure is so common it's considered a ticking grenade. Number 6. Mazda 13 B Renesis Rotary RX-8. A brilliant design and a reliability nightmare. The 13B's apex seals wear quickly, often before 60,000 miles. Ignition coils fail, compression drops, and hot start issues develop long before the engine dies completely. Once compression falls below minimum levels, the RX-8 becomes nearly impossible to start. Number 5. GM 5.3-liter Ayton V8 AFM/DOD 2011 to 2014 plus. The underlying V8 is excellent, but AFM, active fuel management, is a disaster. The special AFM lifters collapse unpredictably, destroying the lifter itself, the camshaft lobe, and sometimes sending metal throughout the engine. This is one of the most common failure patterns in modern GM trucks. Number 4. Ford 5.4-liter 3-valve Triton 2004 to 2008. This engine is well known for causing serious headaches for owners. It has two major problems that make it especially risky. 1. Cam phaser failures. These can create the infamous death rattle, a loud, disturbing noise that signals serious internal damage. 2-piece spark plugs. These spark plugs can break inside the cylinder head, turning a simple spark plug change into a major repair. Either of these problems can quickly turn what should be a straightforward fix into a repair that costs thousands of dollars. Many owners learned the hard way that ignoring early warning signs can be extremely expensive. Number 3. Chrysler 2.7-liter V6, 1998 to 2004. This engine is often called the sludge monster of the 2000s. Its design makes it very prone to oil sludge buildup, high operating temperatures, tiny oil passages, small oil capacity. All of these factors combine to create thick, tar-like sludge inside the engine. Once this sludge blocks the oil pickup, the engine loses oil pressure completely. Without oil, the engine can destroy itself in just a few seconds, leaving the owner with a total engine replacement. Number 2. Ford 6.0-liter Power Stroke Diesel, 2003 to 2007. The 6.0-liter Power Stroke is so notoriously fragile that bulletproofing became an entire industry. Clogged oil coolers lead to overheated EGR coolers, which rupture, sending coolant into the intake, and ultimately blowing the head gaskets. Repairing a blown 6.0-liter gasket can cost up to $8,000. Number 1. Hyundai Kia Theta 2.0 and 2.4 GDI 2011 to 2019. And now, the most dangerous engine on this list. The Theta 2 suffers from manufacturing debris left inside the oil passages from the factory. These metal shavings get trapped in the rod bearings, wearing them down until they fail. Once the bearings go, the engine can seize instantly, even at highway speeds. Failures were so widespread that Hyundai Kia had to recall millions of cars and pay billions in settlements. This is the only engine on the list with a 15-year 150,000-mile extended warranty. But only if the knock sensor software update was installed. And there you have it. The engines you should think twice about before trusting on any long road trip. Some of these power plants look reliable on the surface, but their hidden flaws can turn your adventure into a nightmare fast. If this video helped you stay informed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another breakdown of the car world's most important truths. Got experience with any of these engines? Or did I miss one that deserves to be on this list? Drop your story in the comments. Your insight could save someone thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.